and the radio event is what we use in making this obstacle to be appearing at different lines, so that they are not appearing in the same sequence. Because if you actually look at this particular obstacle here, it's coming from the center here, so we want it to be coming from here. Maybe this center now will be up here or there or there or there. So how we did that was that we now made a ready function and told this that it should, on its own, it will be randomly selecting different positions. So whenever it changes the position of this particular D spawn, when it's spawning the obstacles, they will be spawning at different positions. So we'll have the position of 0, 1, 20. So you have to just check your positions and change all those things. These positions we actually gotten from this. If you actually click over here, because you're going to be using this one here, the obstacle holder, that's where you're getting this this thing here. So if you actually go there, you have your position and you can just drag it in here, set position, and then you can be able to set that position to whatever you want. So you have 0, 16. So you have different positions I've actually set. So you check the one that works for you, and then you can be able to use it. So that's actually how we got the randomness of our game. So now let's go into the spawn. So the spawn is actually what spawns that particular obstacle continuously when the game starts. So when the game starts, if you actually go to the main, you actually see that we have here, we'll have the spawn holder, and we'll have the object spawner, and we'll have a code on it, and it has a timer under it. So this timer, we had to use this signal to turn on the timeout. So whenever the timeout is finished, we're going to wait for 0.1 second, okay, and then we're going to instantiate. So the instantiate, once it's instantiate, the obstacle object or obstacle scene, and then it's going to add child. Now whenever you're doing this, just pay attention that you can always get instantiate from here by right clicking and typing instantiate scene. But then to get this, you must have to drag this out. If not, you can't find this child. And that is how you add a child, and then you can just add this to this. And that's how you can be able to instantiate. This can be used for creating bullets or player spawns and different kind of things. You can be able to use this same very simple code to do. So that's for object spawn, obstacle spawn. So the obstacle, this keeps on spawning the obstacle endlessly.